Good day. This is the Professopher, CBMD PhD. And today is Monday, December 5th, 2022. It is 2:33 and 44 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, uterine fibroid. So let's hop to it here. Uterine fibroid growth, activated by phthalates, chemicals found in everyday products. These toxic pollutants are everywhere, and their usage is not banned. Date November 14, 2022. Source: Northwestern University. Manufacturers use environmental phthalates in numerous industrial and consumer products, and they've also been detected in medical supplies and food. And these toxic pollutants are everywhere, including food packaging, hair, and makeup products, and more, and their usage is not banned. These are more than simply environmental pollutants. They can cause specific harm to human tissues. Up to 80% of all women may develop a fibroid tumor during their lifetime. 1/4 of these women become symptomatic with excessive and uncontrolled uterine bleeding, anemia, miscarriages, infertility, and large abdominal tumors, necessitating technically difficult surgeries. The new study found women with high exposure to certain phthalates, such as DEHP, used as a pasteurizer to increase the durability of products such as shower curtains, car upholstery, lunch boxes, shoes, and more, and its metabolites have a high risk for having a symptomatic fibroid. The scientists discovered exposure to DEHP may activate a hormonal pathway that activates an environmentally responsive receptor, AHR, to bind to DNA and cause increased growth of fibroid tumors. Although, interestingly, AHR was cloned in the early 1990s as a receptor for dioxin, the key toxin in the Agent Orange. The use of Agent Orange during Vietnam War caused significant reproductive abnormalities in exposed populations, and dioxin and AHR were thought to be responsible for this. The DEHP has been the most widely used phthalate, although there has been increased concern in the public and some regulatory restrictions in European Union countries. It is still widely used for the packaging of food and health products in the U.S. and across the world. The DEHP can be gradually released from consumer products into indoor environments such as homes, schools, daycare centers, offices, and cars. It settles on floors and other surfaces and can accumulate in dust and air. During pregnancy, DEHP can pass from mother to baby. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.